What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bethany McKenzie. What's good? What's up if you new? What's good? What's up if you old? Let's get straight into this video. So today I'm starting my entrepreneur videos because I just started a business. Yes, it's very hectic, but I just started a business and I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I'm only waiting on 2 things to come in. Well, really 1 thing. I want only 1 thing to come in. Disregard my nails. This is what happens when you're working and keep popping your nails, trying to pick up boxes and stuff. But we're going to start with everything you need to start a lash business. Oh, what's that? Okay, so I got who I have. I'm starting a lash business, accessory business, and a lip gloss. Yeah. So let's get right into it. Like I said, I'm doing too much talking. So I'm starting off. First, when you're starting a business, you need money. You need money. You can't start a business without money. So whoever lying to you saying how to start a business for free, no, you can't. You can't start a business for free. You gotta have money. It costs to be the boss, like for real. So we're gonna start off with these. I'm just gonna go through everything. I'm gonna start with the big stuff that's already out. So what you're gonna need is a printer. I got this on Black Friday. Lucky me for like $20. It's wireless. I broke it. I don't know what this is. I got so many packages, y'all. Hopefully I don't expose my edges. Okay, so this right here is from Get Suckered. Oh, my nails are bad. I'm not getting that close no more. It's from Get Suckered. These are the flavorings I got for my lip glosses. They were very cheap. They packaged them well. Alright, I got cotton candy. If I get above it, I got cotton candy, bubble gum, and brown sugar. Because I'm only doing like 3 glosses because I'm not going to promote how much stuff that I'm not going to wear myself. Next package I got. What is this? I'm just cutting. And this is my glitter for my lip glosses. It's called Glitter Craze. I got 3 things. It was buy 2, get 1 free. Oh, they're actually big. This is cosmetic glitter. I didn't know it was going to be this big. But I got rose gold, holographic, then the, what was it? The gold flakes. Yeah, there you go. This is the holographic, and that's the, I thought this would be more brown. I had to check into that because I could have sworn I got brown because I wasn't doing anything pink, really. Anyway, start with this box. Alright, this is my scale. I got on Amazon, like maybe $10 for my packages. My bubble mailers, I got more coming. This is just a standard size. Yeah, I have more coming. I think it was like $25 for like $6. These are my labels I got. I'm talking about lip glosses. I'm really just throwing this thing. I don't want to break nothing. Bruh. Alright. These are my thank you stickers I got from Amazon to put on the outside of my bubble mailers to say thank you. Kind of smushed. Hope ain't nothing messed up.
gosh. Oh, these are my hair clips.
These are my hair clips that I'm selling. I'm not opening all them. And I have some more hair clips that I'll be selling. If you can see it, those, they're cute. Okay. And I also have, I went to Hobby Lobby, like, take my picture. I think some people use a paper. I don't know, it's a sheet too. So I got these. I have to take a picture of my, it's kind of got glitter in it, if you can see it. Take a picture of like my merchandise and stuff on top of it. I got black as well, so I can take my pictures on top of it. I got some grapeseed oil for my lip gloss. Coconut oil. And this is to be used for my lip gloss. I have more coming in. I have like a 35-ounce coming in. Then I ordered some more of these. But yeah, I think TKB, they're kind of high. So if you're going to the lip gloss business, it's kind of high. The Versa gel is, well, packaging high too. It depends on how you want to brand yourself. Then I got these from Hobby Lobby, like little measuring scoops, for like when I'm putting my glitter in there. Cause you don't want to put a lot, you can always put a little bit. Walmart, these are for more of my local orders. I got some ribbons. I have baggies, and like when they purchase lashes from me, I'll tie it around with these because these are my colors, black and lime green. Cause see, I like it. My favorite color yellow though, but I didn't like how it looks like on paper, and so I like it. I like yellow on me. If that makes sense. Hobby Lobby. I got these more for presentation to hold my lip gloss tubes. It says fabulous. This will probably hold like my business cards, my thank you cards, pens, and like sit my lip glosses in. I seen some at Dollar Tree. They weren't as cute as these, but it was just these. I'm gonna go get like maybe 6 of them because what I order like 70 tubes, and I plan on making all 70. All right, here's another box. And like everything I have is enough to get you started. Like, you're not gonna really see money when you first start because you have to buy so much starter stuff. Like, I had to buy a printer. I had to buy, like, you have to buy a lot of stuff to start your business. A lot. These are the syringes. Can you see it? They're the syringes to fill the lip gloss tubes. The pipettes, it's like 120. It's a lot of pipettes in here. Then my lip gloss tubes, the stoppers. I'm gonna have to wash these out because I don't know what other people do, but I like my stuff clean. So we're gonna wash these before we put the gloss in them. We're gonna wash them after we put the gloss in them. I mean, it looks sealed pretty good, but you can never be too clean. And like for my lashes and my lip gloss and my accessories, I got these little rhinestone thingies or whatever, just so it looks good. Like if you scrolling on Instagram and it's a regular pair of lashes, you'll scroll right by. But if you see something to make it pop, then somebody gonna stop and be like, "Oh, let me look at this." Someone's gonna be like, "Oh, let me look at this. I like this." Walmart. I got a label maker so I can label my lashes, and like when I organize my stuff. I'm gonna do an organization video, but a label maker, it was $17. I got a refill. I got these have a white background. The ones that come with it got a white background. I got one with the clear where it's transparent. I'm gonna play both of them, see how it looks. Some gloves for when I make my lip gloss. This is for when I clean my lip gloss too. And these are drawer organizers. I plan on organizing like my hair clips in this. I want everything clear so I can see what's in there, what I have. When I'm doing inventory, it'll be easier. Oh. This video. Alright, so I got these for like put in my bubble mailers, or for when people pick up locally from me. Put them in these bags right here. This is a regular clear black bag, so I can put the lashes in, but presentation is everything. Like, when they see black and green, they'll be like, oh, yeah, that's Bethany. Like, and Dollar Tree showed out. I went back there. They have some shipping labels. I'm just going to try it out, see how it looks. Dollar Tree has shipping labels. This is $60 right here for $3. And it's the kind that stick on there. So, Dollar Tree. See. But yeah, I took all of them because what? Some tape, thumbtacks. I have a hold on, I'll get. So I purchased one of these so I can keep up with orders and notes. So I have the little thingies for to stick in here. It came with some, but I wasn't paying attention. So I got this to keep up with stuff, like order stuff like this. Like if something comes in, like this comes in this day, I'm shipping on this day. Just stay organized. And I also have a planner. As well, but I'm not gonna show it because it's in another room. I'm tired of getting up. And this is what I keep receipts. And this is what I got. I have 8. I had 9 styles of lashes, but I didn't like one style, so I didn't get them no more. But I bought these to put my lashes in. I want some cuter bins, but when you first starting out and you don't spend so much money already, this is 88 cents for each one. I got 8, so I can put each lash style in there and label it with my label maker. I also got a calculator, Dollar Tree. I might have to calculate some. I got these 2 for pictures. They're like string lights. They might end up being on this wall. I'm not sure yet, because I kind of want to do a grass wall or a rose wall. So here are my lashes. Oh my gosh. Gotta be very careful because I ain't trying to cut a box or something. Oh my gosh, they package is good, but hold on. Okay. Okay. All right. Lashes. Whew, I almost broke another nail. Here are my babies. She put this in here, but like it's full of lashes. Oh, okay. But I love the holographic boxes. They're cute. I like the holographic boxes. And honestly, I may rebrand my boxes to some black boxes with lime green writing. But I don't know yet, because everybody I ask, they throw away their box. They'll just sit their lashes on a counter, or I don't know. I'm still thinking about that, because I want to spend all this money on custom boxes, and they just gonna throw them away. Because I know I be throwing mine away sometimes. Like, I'm not coughing. I'll keep the tray, and I'll put my lashes back in the tray, but the box, I'm gonna throw the box away. Like, I know me. So that's that. I'm sick. Oh my gosh, what's going on? But that's really all that's into this video. I'm doing a website as well myself. Not paying nobody to make no website, because if it's not how I want it, I'm not trying to pay them no extra, because it's not how I want it. And people only do so many revisions and stuff like that, so then they can get expensive. I'm getting my business cards aren't in yet. I'm getting them from Vistaprint. My logo I'll post somewhere in this video, and the person who did it will be down in the description below. I'm using Wix for my website. I don't know, Shopify is good. It's just I'm just now starting, so I feel like Wix is easier and a cheaper way to go, because Shopify is like for people to, like, if I get big, manifestation, I'm thinking that I will get big. Like, I'm believing that I will succeed in this business, because, like, even just my hometown, like, I did buy some lashes before I did this video, and I sold out that first month. So I bought more this time, and I just believe. Like, I believe that I'm making a website because I have out-of-town friends, out-of-town supporters who wants to support me. So, I don't know. It's just all about manifestation, all that. Just, if you believe it yourself, you can make it happen. So, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. You can ask on any other of my social media stuff. Make sure, I have to get a new, what is it called? I have to get a new intro made to add my business in there. But make sure you follow the Bethany McKenzie Collection on Instagram, and follow me, my personal, on at Your Girl Role Model, and Snapchat, Bethany McKenzie. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always going to answer. I'm always on my phone. If I'm not answering, it must be something really important going on, like with my daughter, or I'm asleep. Other than that, I'm always on my phone. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and wait for episode 2.
Never finna leave me cause I got that drip drop. To this last bitch still fucking like a robot.